Welcome to Shivani Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you a very fancy and party hairstyle to make at home. First of all, comb your hairs and make a ponytail. Make sure that the ponytail is tight. Now, take donut rubber band or a heavy rubber band and place it like this at the edge of your hairs. Cover the entire rubber band with the open hairs. Reverse the hairs into the rubber band and keep rolling it. Make sure that you roll it gently, that the hairs doesn't come out. Once the entire hairs are rolled inside the rubber band, hold the hair like this and tuck the end portion of hair into the first rubber band, like this. Now, to secure the bun, use hairpins. Expand the open hairs and use hairpins. Make sure you place the hairpins at the right place so that the hair bun looks more prettier. Place the hairpins to the entire juda. If the juda is slightly tight, you can loosen some hair. As you can see, we have placed the juda pins to the entire hair. To give a fancy look to this juda, I am using pearl hair clips. Place one clip in the center. And then at every corner. Decorate the juda like a flower, this way. To make the center of the juda more pretty, you can use some more pearl hair clips or pearl hair pins. See how pretty and fancy this juda is looking. Do try this fancy juda at home. Let me show you a hairstyle with the help of handkerchief. Comb your hair and tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Now take a handkerchief and roll your hair in it. Simply roll your hair in handkerchief and carefully tie the handkerchief on rubber band. Now take the edges of the hair and merge them together with the help of hairpin. Make sure there are no open hair on the sides and all are secured with hairpin. Finish the bun look with the fancy hair clip. See how easily you can style your hair with a handkerchief. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.